That's the bottom. So you got a piece, and then that piece from right there to right there is about 2.5 inches. And that's where it's supposed to hook to. Right there. And as you can see, it comes way down there. No way that's ever going to touch. Really tight up there. I just don't know if I can ever get going right under that J channel right there.
Oh man. Fast. Need some nails on. I'm done over here.
Talk about working upside down.
No doubt, dude. Yeah, give me a wheel, I'll probably be better off.
That is a tight spot.
Huh?
That is one tight spot.
Hey, how you got me now? Huh?
You got your white nails up here? What?
Yeah.
Three rain diverters. Want to get most of that rain that goes down there not to go down there. That's about the only way to do it.